Hare Krishna, all glories to Srila Prabhupada, Savior of the world. Today we're making a nice dessert. 3 cups of corn flour, 2 cups of organic brown sugar, 3 cups of shredded coconut, 3/4 of a cup of organic unsalted butter, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix well. Add a half cup of water again and mix well. We need green banana leaves. Wash well and you just put it on the heat so it will get soft, so you can wrap and boil. Put a big pot with water to boil. Cut the leaves. Take a little bit of your mixture and fold it with a banana leaf. Take some thread and wrap it around and tie it properly. This is the finished look. This is how it should look like. Finish rolling, and we're going to put them in a pot of boiling water to boil for half an hour. Put them in to boil for half an hour. After boiling, you take it out of the water and let it cool. After finish boiling, cool for 20 minutes and take it out of the leaf. This is the finished look. Enjoy.